Japan's best castles. Japan has many beautiful and historic castles, so which ones are the best to visit? Here are our picks, beginning with Hirasaki Castle in Aomori Prefecture. Matsumoto Castle. Matsumoto Castle, built in 1592, is one of 5 castles designated as national treasures of Japan. Osaka Castle, 5-story Osaka Castle, a recreation of the original keep, which was destroyed on several occasions, is built on solid cyclopean foundations. Inuyama Castle. Inuyama Castle is significant for having the oldest original Tenshu, fortified tower, in Japan. Nijo Castle. Following the Meiji Restoration, this castle became an imperial palace. Hikone Castle. Completed in 1622, this castle survived the post-feudal era without undergoing destruction. Matsuyama Castle. 13th century Bichu Matsuyama Castle in Okayama Prefecture is considered Japan's original Yamajiro mountain castle. Edo Castle. Edo Castle was huge in its prime, surrounded by a 15-kilometer outer moat crossed by over 30 gates and bridges. Shuri Castle. Okinawa's Shurijo Castle is emblematic of the Gosuku Castle style of the old Ryukyu Kingdom. Matsuya Castle. Built in the early 1600s near the shores of Lake Shinji, Matsuya Castle is one of the only remaining keeps on Japan's central western coast. Himeji Castle. This structure's nickname is Castle of the White Heron. Kumamoto Castle. Following a major earthquake in 2016 and a subsequent 5-year renovation, Kumamoto Castle's main keep was reopened to the public in 2021. Nagoya Castle. In Aichi Prefecture, Nagoya Castle is renowned for the magnificent golden shachihoko, tiger-like fish, protruding from the top.